Hey everybody, welcome back to Rick's Tech Talk. Today we're going to do something totally different. Today I'm going to try on some shirts from Summer Everest. So they asked me if I would be kind enough to try these on and show them off to you guys. So I looked them up on the website and I looked at all the shirts that they have, all the prints, and I was blown away. So I had to get these. These are just super cool. So we'll go over here, we'll open them up, and I'll put them on and we'll see what they look like. Okay, so let's open these up and see what we got. So I have a card from them. Okay, just basically tells you to scan there, check out their Facebook page. They got some giveaway stuff. It's kind of cool. They sent me some socks as well, so that's cool. I know a lot of people are into socks. I'm not a sock guy, but I mean I do wear them, but I don't go and buy decorative socks. But that's kind of cool. So that could make a nice gift for somebody. So here is the shirts. So you can see they kind of bundled them up. Looks like one in each package, so I have a total of 4. Kind of excited. I have not peeked at any of these, so you can see they're still closed up. All right, let's just do one at a time here. So that's pretty wild. I like the print on it. It's pretty cool. So that's definitely catchy. The stitching looks really nice. I'm not much of a clothing guy. Man, it looks like nice quality. I mean, I don't see any like threads hanging off. Nothing. Everything looks really nice. Okay, so that's one. So we're going to put this to the side. I'll try this on after. Hey, shirt number 2. That's kind of cool. Definitely have to get the wrinkles out, but that's going to look really nice. It's pretty catchy. And again, the stitching looks great. I mean, I don't see anything. Looks like nice quality. Very lightweight material. And these shirts are very affordable. It's not like overpriced or anything. And if you get some of the discount codes on there, it's well worth it. All right, put this one to the side. So I got 2 more shirts here. Yeah, this is the Halloween one. This one I thought was really cool. So if you didn't know, I do a really big display for Halloween. I do have a video on my Halloween walkthrough, and every year I keep adding stuff to it. But this one, I want this one for Halloween. That's going to look so cool. I know a lot of people are going to ask me where I got the shirt from. So that's really nice. I like this one. It's just orange on the back. I mean, how cool is that? Put this one to the side. Last one. This one here, I wanted just, to go out to like a restaurant or a bar, something like that. I thought that would be really cool. So I like that design. So it's just plain on the back. So that's it. So there we have it. Here's our shirts. I almost want to get the wrinkles out before I try these on for you. So let me do that. I'm going to iron these out, and then I'll try them on. You can see what they look like. And obviously the link to Summer Everest will be down below, but I'll also put links to the shirts that I got in case, you just like the ones that I have here. What do you think? I like it. Nice and flashy. How about that pattern? And it's super, super light. So in the summertime, yeah, it's not going to get too hot. Wintertime, you can wear a shirt underneath, obviously. I like it. And we got this one here. Oh, that's nice. I like this one. Does anybody still pop the collar? Okay. Does anybody still do that? I might actually have to get some more of these. All right. See, so far this is my favorite. Okay, I'll try this one on. Love the pattern. That's pretty cool. How about that? That's a nice shirt too. I know I'm going to get a lot of compliments on these shirts if I wear these out. Last one. Let's see how this looks. So when I do my Halloween display, I don't dress up. So that's why I really wanted this shirt. That really pops right there. And then the back's just plain on that one. What do you think? Pretty nice, huh? So I know you've seen this one already, but I'm going to wear this one today. This is a nice casual shirt with a little bit of pop to it. I mean, that's nice. I like this one. Okay, so there's the shirts from Summer Everest. I just want to say thank you to them for reaching out to me and sending me some shirts to try on and make a video on this, because these are going to be the best looking shirts I have in my closet. I'm not much of a fashion guy, but these I will wear. These are really nice and I like them. They're very affordable. You could maybe expect to pay more for these, but they're not. They're very, very affordable. So to me, I would say like 50 bucks a shirt, but nope, not even close. So make sure you go check them out. Amazing shirts made for guys, but you know, the ladies can wear them as well. And they cover all sorts of holidays. Let's see, they have Valentine's Day, St. Patty's, Thanksgiving, Halloween, and Christmas. So I love my Halloween one. I'm definitely going to be wearing that next year. So, you know, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching.